Good morning, Year 2. It's time for our first maths lesson of the year. Today is Wednesday, the 6th of January. And silly Miss Wilson, look what I've done. I've put we're in the year 2020, but we're in the year 2021. Before you watch this video, please make sure you have done the flashback 4 and checked your answers. Just like in school, let's start our maths lesson with some counting. I want to see, can you count in twos? Let's do the first one all together. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Well done, everybody. I wonder why have I put socks to show us counting in twos? What do you think? The reason I've done socks is because there are 2 in every pair. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay, your turn on your own. Are you ready? 0, 20. Well done, everybody. Today we are learning to make equal groups. This is something that you did in year 1, so we're just having a short lesson to see if we can remember how to do this. The word equal, my turn, equal, means the same. If 2 things are equal, they are the same. Let's see if we can spot which groups are equal. Are these groups equal? Are these groups the same? I can see they've used the same type of picture, they've used a barrel, but are they the same? Is there the same number in each group? Let's check. So I've got 1, 2 groups, and in this group I've got 1, 2, 3 barrels, and in this group I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 barrels. So are those groups the same? Are they equal? No, because in this group I've got 3, and in this group I've got 4, so they are not the same. Are these groups equal? We've got more groups this time. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see how many carrots are in each group so we can check they are equal. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Those groups are equal. They have the same number of carrots in each group because I had to count to 3 each time. If I was going to write that in a sentence, I would write, there are 4 equal groups of 3. There are 4 equal groups of 3. 4 is how many groups I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 is how many's in each group. Are these groups equal? They look the same to me. Those pictures look the same, but I will always count just to check. So I've got 1, 2, 3 groups. What have I got inside my groups? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Each group has 3 apples in, so those groups are equal. My sentence would be, there are 3 equal groups of 3. I've got 3 groups, and in each group there are 3 apples. Let's use some objects to try and make these groups. The first one I'm going to try is 5 equal groups of 3. I need to make 5 equal groups. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to tick off 5 because I've used that number, I don't need it anymore. I'm making 5 equal groups of 3. So 3 is how many objects I need to put inside my groups. I'm going to use these small bits of fruit, but you can use absolutely anything you'd like at home. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 in each. I'm keeping it equal. 1, 2, 3. And last group, because they all need to be the same. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. So now I can check, and I'm going to count each one to check I've got 3 in each one to make sure they're equal, make sure they're the same. And then I can tick off 3 because I've used that number. Let's have a look at the next sentence. This time I want to work out 3 equal groups of 5. So my first number is 3 equal groups. So again, I'm going to draw out my 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, my pen is running out, but hopefully you can see 1, 2, 3. I've ticked off the 3. And how many do I need in each group? I need 5. I need 5 objects in each group to make them equal. I'm using cubes this time. It doesn't matter what you use. So I've got 5 in the first group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doesn't matter that they're different colours, I've still got 5, and I'm going to check each group to check they are equal. It's really important you check that they're the same. Then tick off number 5. I've used that number. I've made 3 equal groups of 5. Right, one more altogether. I want to make 4 equal groups of 6. So what's the first thing I need to do? Well done, I need to make my 4 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tick off number 4, I've done that. And I need 6 in each group. Well done if you'd said that already. I'm using counters this time. Again, it doesn't matter what you use. I need 6 in each group. Can you help count with me? We'll start on the next one. So I've got my first one full of 6. Let's go all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. Am I done? I've made some equal groups. They've all got 6 in them. You're right. I need 4 equal groups. I've only got 3 at the moment. So let's keep going and fill in this last group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. I've made 4 equal groups of 6. So now it's your turn. On Google Classrooms, you will see the groups I want you to make. If you're finding it a bit tricky, you can click the Enable activity, which will help you out. And if you are finding it too easy and you're whizzing through it and you want a challenge, you can click on the Extend challenge. So remember, equal means the same, so you need to make the same amount of your groups. Well done, everybody, and don't forget to send me your work when you're finished.